Welcome to an exhilarating culinary journey. Today, we're going to master the art of making a classic Italian pasta dish. Pasta aglio e olio. This simple, yet delicious recipe is a favorite of many, and by the end of this video, it might just become yours too. To embark on this flavorful adventure, you'll need a few key ingredients. These include your favorite type of pasta, some fresh garlic, quality olive oil, red pepper flakes, fresh parsley, and of course, some finely grated Parmesan cheese. The first step is cooking your pasta. Ensure to follow the package instructions for the best results. Remember, the aim is to achieve that perfect al dente texture, not too soft, not too hard, just right. While the pasta is boiling away, it's time to create the soul of this dish, the garlic-infused oil. Grab a pan, pour in a generous amount of olive oil and heat it up. Once the oil is hot, introduce the minced garlic to the pan. Sauté it until it's fragrant and golden, but be careful not to burn it. When the pasta is cooked to perfection, drain it, but remember to save some pasta water for later. Now, it's time to bring everything together. Toss the cooked pasta into the pan with the garlic-infused oil. Stir it gently, ensuring all the pasta is coated with that delicious garlicky oil. Now, to spice things up a bit, sprinkle in some red pepper flakes. The amount you add depends on how much heat you can handle. To finish off, sprinkle some freshly chopped parsley and grated Parmesan cheese. Stir everything together, adding a bit of the saved pasta water if needed to loosen things up. And there you have it. An authentic, simple, yet incredibly flavorful pasta aglio e olio. This dish perfectly encapsulates the essence of Italian cuisine: simplicity and quality ingredients. In summary, you've cooked the pasta, sautéed garlic in olive oil, tossed the pasta in the garlic oil, added red pepper flakes, and finished off with chopped parsley and grated Parmesan. Remember, the beauty of this dish lies in its simplicity. It's all about the harmony of few quality ingredients coming together to create a symphony of flavors. So the next time you're craving a quick but satisfying meal, think pasta aglio e olio. Until next time, happy cooking.